Leveling surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli play a crucial role in the construction and engineering industry. They are responsible for measuring and determining the elevations of different points on the ground. This information is then used to create accurate topographic maps and ensure that structures are built on level ground. Leveling surveyors use various tools and techniques to perform their work, including the use of leveling rods, transits, and laser levels. Their expertise is vital in ensuring the safety and precision of construction projects. Ahamedpur Chauroli is a rapidly developing town located in Uttar Pradesh, India. As the town continues to grow, the need for leveling surveyors becomes increasingly important. These professionals are instrumental in conducting surveys to determine the elevation of different areas within Ahamedpur Chauroli. This information is crucial for urban planning, infrastructure development, and flood management. By accurately measuring the elevations, leveling surveyors can assist in designing proper drainage systems and ensure that buildings are constructed on stable ground. One of the key aspects of leveling surveyors' work in Ahamedpur Chauroli is SCON design. SCON design refers to the design and placement of SCONs, which are small structures used for measurement during leveling surveys. These SCONs serve as reference points for the surveyors and help ensure accuracy in their measurements. Leveling surveyors carefully design and position these SCONs in strategic locations to provide reliable benchmarks for future surveys. This allows for consistency and comparability of data over time, making it easier to track changes in elevation. To perform their work effectively, leveling surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli must have a deep understanding of surveying principles and techniques. They must also possess strong mathematical skills and be proficient in using various surveying instruments and equipment. The construction and engineering industries in Ahamedpur Chauroli greatly benefit from the work of leveling surveyors. They are in charge of taking measurements and figuring out where on the ground various locations are elevated. Then, using this data, precise topographic maps are produced, ensuring that buildings are constructed on level ground. Leveling surveyors carry out their task using a variety of instruments and methods, such as leveling rods, transits, and laser levels. Their knowledge is essential for assuring the accuracy and safety of building projects. Uttar Pradesh, India's Ahamedpur Chauroli is a town that is quickly growing. Leveling surveyors are going to be more and more necessary as the settlement expands. These experts play a key role in the surveys that are done to figure out the elevation of various regions in Ahamedpur Chauroli. Planning cities, building infrastructure, and managing floods all depend on this data. Leveling surveyors can help with the design of suitable drainage systems and guarantee that buildings are built on stable ground by precisely measuring the elevations. SCON design is a crucial component of leveling